Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, Mr. Vaz has refuted claims being made on social media about the SSL building. But now, popular social media influencer Andre Stevens has uncovered documents while speaking to attorney Isaac Buchanan about said SSL buildings and the fact that Mr. Clark said assets could not be transferred at a certain time during the time that he was the finance minister. These are the same place we can't give up Bolton money. Me couldn't hear what go on. Look and listen.
Ball out! Whoa, yo, yo, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out from Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody, man or woman.
Just let me get something before you do. Portland, wake up, wake up, cause this need crowd.
Now that was one part of the reason. Me I couldn't hear the rest, but people like and drop a comment in the comment section if you agree. So be a small away here. One, Bolt to get back in money. And separate and apart from that, on a Bolt alone, or on a Bolt statements alone, I make this thing either seem or turn political. If these things, these alleged statements are true, then what that say? One thing for sure though, I'm going to say it already. I know Bolt no care about them something. The people of Jamaica might care. And Bolt being a Jamaican citizen, he might be concerned also. But we know what Bolt want. Bolt want back in money. Of course, we know what the opposition want. The opposition want, as them said, justice for Bolt. And them want to be elected. It's not strange that the opposition is making it political. They are a political party. But some people are say, why hasn't the government even just done the courtesy of giving Usain Bolt a call? Just call him phone, no? And talk to him. You know, my simple feel like say, if somebody high up, even the Prime Minister himself, we see them meet with Bolt on other occasions, we see, you know, the people who responsible for sports, and we see government officials link up with Bolt. Them know if you get in contact with Bolt or Bolt's management team. If them just give Bolt a call, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, of course we know elected officials are busy. Them have a whole heap of things to deal with. But even the Minister of Finance at the time, or even the one now, could I just take 15 minutes out of them busy schedule and just call Bolt and just say, what you know? This is what is going on. This is what we know so far. And this is what we are doing to get you and the other people some justice. We feel like if they just do that, Bolt will end up on the media and talk about it. Both one of them high level celebrity superstar there. Him know say if the information we might get, the government that talk to him and them reassure him, he would not talk about these things on the media. Even when him do interviews and people are asking if he want to talk about it, they say no. The government will handle it and they no need to talk about it. Some people are said just because him not get that. So just like everybody else, Bolt is left to his own speculations, his own devices. Even in his own head now I wonder what one. Remember we see him say in the circle. But I know where him just tweets in the circle. What do you hear him say to somebody say don't be a syndicate? These simple tweets show you what Bolt's mindset is. Bolt the same realize say yes, even though he might be a wealthy Jamaican, blessed with a whole heap of millions, billions, that not means that the other wealthy Jamaicans are the people who are in the circle. See him as one of them. What when somebody talk out on their behalf, Bolter say, why you try to shame him? Yes, him invested the money, and no, he never consult the government when he might invest the money, as nobody does that. What people do when they invest their money is them talk to them financial advisor who tells you the companies that have been regulated by the government where you can invest your money into and get lawful, legal returns. So no, him never can, he may not think boldly talk to the government when he might invest in money. But when you say that, Bolter says it's almost like you try to shame him for investing his money. And Bolt said, don't be a syndicate. Google what syndicate mean? Bolter said, what? Are the whole on night together? Because Bolter said, why would you say that to him? But I guess, from their point of view, the government was already seeing it as something that is becoming political. While I guess at the moment, Bolt never had see it as nothing political. He just see it as him wanting back him money. Now, of course, political parties have seen the political aspect of it. And them are use it to them own narrative. But me not feel like a Bolt to do that. No, me not think of Usain Bolt to do that. Whether him know say that will become something political or not, who knows? Maybe Bolt did very well know say when him say this and say what him say and speaking about a situation and knowing say one party is the government at the moment and they have another party where try to become the government. Yeah, maybe him did know say that will become political. But Bolt is not a member of parliament, him is not a councillor, and him is not a member of any political party that we know of. Him is a Jamaican citizen entitled to his right to vote. So whoever him vote for, we don't know it. Of him personal business. But him, they just say it to get back him money. Political parties are use it for their own narrative. And as I say, who knows? Maybe if it was the opposition now, that was the government during the time when this happened with Bolt, and the people and the party with the government now was the opposition, maybe them would answer the same thing with the opposition say. You know? Remember, the man are the one in a power. So of course the opposition are going to cost the government while them are cost the company. Them not going to cost the company alone because them want people to say, people, you see it, this happen while them people are the government, you know. We if be the government, this wouldn't happen. So of course them are going to make it political. So if you say, I have supported of the government is saying that the opposition is making it political. Well, yeah, the opposition is making it political. They are the opposition political party. Me not expect them to make it nothing but political. Anything where the opposition do is political. Think about it. Anything the opposition does at the moment, it is politically motivated. As them point out, you have certain things that the government do where people might think it politically motivated, where they are pointing out, say, yes, when you have the government, like when you have programs to give back to people that were already in place, or programs where governments do overall. And not one party per se I do that unless they make a new policy and a new program. But these programs will already exist. Whichever party becomes the government, these programs already exist, and it's just the government doing their job. It's not the political party doing their job. It's the government. They are now the elected government. So, in that scenario, it's different. But tell me what you think. Let me feel like, say, Bolt, they're the one that make it political, or the political party that make it political. And the reason, again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper, and also want to stay tuned.